how to use sub items in Monday.com. So hey guys, during this video, I'm going to tell you how you can use sub items in Monday.com. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into Monday.com. And once when you log in, you will be redirected here to this home page where you can see there are multiple boards here. You can open any board that you feel like. For example, this is the board that I want to open. So what are sub items? Sub items are actually uh, smaller categories of the major items that you're working on. For example, I have these major items here. Now, my company is a mobile production company, and we take a lot of resources or, the stuff that is used in building a mobile, the components, mobile components, you can say that. So, we have a chip GPU, we have sensors, we have ICs, we have screens, and we have speakers. So, for example, let's come here to screens. I've already added four sub items here. So, we take screens from from four major countries, which include sorry, which include China, USA, Pakistan, and India. Now these will be the sub items because these items are a smaller version, a smaller niche of this major item. So that's what sub item actually is. Now, for example, uh, let's come here now, for example, we need to subcategorize the speakers. So, how can we do it? We can do it just like this. Like, for example, if I want speakers of different companies for this latest version of phone that my company is creating, and we want to test different speakers. So, I'm going to add some sub items. For example, we're going to put a speaker of Sony, and now that is a sub item. We're going to put another speaker of Philips, and then we are going to put another speaker of TCL and see the output. And then finally, one more, we can put a speaker of Knox and now see how it goes. Now, these are the four sub items of this major item. We can assign owners to sub items as well, like who will be designated for this specific task of procuring these speakers from these respective companies. Here you go. I have set the owners for these tasks. Now I have set up the status, working on it because this is a new task. So all owners will be working on it. I can set a date as well, like what's the due date for procuring these speakers. Here you go. And I have set priority. Now Sony is the best one. So I'm going to go with critical, high, low, and medium. So I have created four more sub items of this particular item. So that's the major use of sub items in Monday.com. So it's very easy. It's very easy and pretty self explanatory. So that was it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.